Hello friends, welcome to IT Plus videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe it now. Today we will see about the various free certificates issued by the Government of India in response to the COVID-19 awareness programs. So let's look at the first website. It is All India Institute of Public and Physical Health Sciences. This is in Delhi, and if you visit this website, there is a click here option for the pledge certificate here, and if you click this, it will automatically direct you to this page. Generate your certificate here. Once you fill in all your details like enter name for certificate, son or daughter or wife of, address, occupation, designation, email and mobile number. Even though if you are a student, you can just type your occupation and designation as student and then just simply click on the generate certificate. And so I have already applied to this. My certificate looks like this. See, this certificate can be used for the extracurricular activities in your resume or your CV. Thank you. Websites is in the description below. So our first website is the Central Vigilance Commission, and here you can take this certificate as a citizen or either as an organization. So me being a citizen of India, I click on this and there you go. Here is the Central Vigilance Commission form which you have to fill your enter your basic details like your name, your gender, ID proof, your PAN card or any other passport, voter ID or any other thing, and date of birth, the PIN code, state, your district, email if you have any, and your mobile number. Once you enter all these details, just proceed for the language selection. Once you proceed for the language selection, it will ask you whether you want it in Hindi or English. You can choose any of that, and I chose English for that, and I had a OTP for the to generate my certificate. And once I generated my certificate, it looks like this. See, it's cost free, no amount to be paid by the Government of India, and absolutely free. You can just take this certificate and upload it in your resume or CV, and it gives a very good impression to the interviewers. And you can even download your certificate, send certificate to your email and send certificate to your mobile, download the pledge even. And now the another website is this. The link of this website is available in your description below, and once you reach this website, it's the entrepreneur pledge. And here also we need to enter our basic details like the name, gender, your ID proof, date of birth, PIN code, your state, district, email and your mobile. Once you enter all this, proceed for the language selection. And here also they will ask if you want it in Hindi or English, and if you prefer any of them like English, I preferred English. And once you enter your mobile number over here, you will be given an OTP, and once you enter your OTP, like my OTP is 526754, and submit. Yeah, and here you go. This is